So I want to show you how to put together your BioArc stand and then put it on a modem with your BioArc disk. So you got two pieces with your modem called the BioArc stand, and it's a left and a right. So we've got black on one side and white on the other side. To put them together, if you want to have white on the front and the back, then you put them together like that. They just kind of stick together and they make a little stand. If you want black on the outside, just do the reverse. And then you just set it on your modem and place your BioArc disk on it like that. That's all there is to it. If your modem is up on the wall, then we've included some double-sided sticky tape, foam tape, that you stick on the back of the BioArc disk, and you can just stick it right onto the modem. But if you have the stand, you can either put it right on top of the modem, or actually you could even put it right in front of the modem like that.